My name is Khalil. I'm a co-founder of the Akoje gallery. So I got contacted by the developer here in St. Mary-le-Port, and they wanted to create a project to bring something to the community that's around Castle Park.
We wanted the artwork to portray landmarks of Bristol so that people coming here could see some of the landmarks and the people that lived here could recognise parts of their city. We also wanted to get some input from the local community, so we were in touch with Friends of Castle Park, and I did a workshop in a primary school.
I wanted to see something a bit more artistic, something a bit more permanent. I think it's absolutely amazing. Lucy's done a really good job. I'm absolutely delighted with it.
It's been great working with Signs Express, with Ben in particular. They were super efficient. They arranged pretty much everything we needed. They were happy to speak to the council when needed, to liaise things with them.
We're really over the moon. We really hope that everyone else is really chuffed with the end result. A huge project to be undertaken. It has over 360 8x4 sheets. We had to really get all of the team involved to get it done in time. Our artworking department worked really closely with Lucy to ensure that everything was digitised, and we helped her amend the design as well to make sure that it all worked.
Signs Express have been amazing throughout the whole thing. I've never done an artwork digitally to this scale before, so it was designed in sections, and they've helped me work out how I was going to do that.
To be able to print them off-site is just a fantastic way of doing it. Because then they just come along, screw them up, and that's it, job done.
One thing that I love about this is it's all unique all around.
I'm hoping that Bristol City Council are going to take this on board, they're going to appreciate it, and it's going to spread out a bit more around the city, and certainly get Lucy on the case as well. She's done a great job here.
I think it looks beautiful.